I really smell funky corn chips down here. Hey Cakenistas, it's Marisha. I have a new package from Vistaprint. This is it. I'm so excited. So if you don't know what Vistaprint is, you get whatever type of promotion, all of your office thing, posters, business cards, all that. My stuff finally came and I'm very excited about it. I figured we would tear it open together. Let's do this. Okay. Vistaprint is the first company that I found back in 2010 when I said I was gonna start Scotty, magic trick.
What you got going on
Never
over here,
ever.
man? Oh, I see.
It's like, where do I start and where does it begin?
Don't
You
mind
like
if
it?
I do.
No, that's right. You can also use staples if you need stuff next day. But Vistaprint seems to have like a larger variety of options for designs and stuff. So I use them. The first thing that I see is a white envelope. Very excited. But don't take all
I
of
think
it.
I will. I think I will. I think I will.
This is the first thing. I ordered some more labels, and I use these for my party parfaits, the ones that I ship. This just has my email address and my YouTube channel. I only got 2 sheets of this because they're so expensive now. They never used to be this pricey, but they're really pricey. 2 sheets was $20. That's crazy. Well, this is like a newer service. They didn't even offer this stuff a few years ago. What's next? Scotty, you smell like fish and grits.
Now, you know you gave me sardines for
time.
breakfast.
Bath time, Scotty?
A little square box. It can only be one thing. I ordered some square business cards. Dang, you really do stink, little boy. It's gonna be bath time later. Check it out. I love it. So this was basically a template that I seriously altered over time. I put pictures on there. I put my own social media stuff. I even changed the design. Just sit and just be supportive for a second. Look at my new business card. Don't you love it? It smells like fresh paper and hot ink. You go to an event and you get a bunch of business cards. Biscotti, sit down, little boy, come on. And you get a bunch of business cards and you just have them all stacked. You're not gonna be able to stack this with the other cards. It's gonna stick out and you're gonna see the top of it above all those other rectangular cards. Look. If you have a bunch of these, look at what's sticking out, right? You noticed it, right? He's smelling the big one. And this is my old card, by the way. Look at the come up. Such a big difference. My new one is more colorful. It's got my updated cakes on there. When I give a business card, it's not just my information. It's like, oh my goodness, what's this, what's that, what's that? You made that, da, 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 da. So then they can take it home and they can show people.
It's marketing.
Smart marketing.
Oh.
I am excited about this. I got a new poster. Yeah.
I would sing with you, but I don't know what song that is.
You don't know this song?
Oh, Rocky? You know I know Rocky, girl. Da da da. Da 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 da. Oh man.
Okay, I'll go low.
Okay.
I'll go low. Why are you going
Oh,
low?
what's happening? Da 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 da.
Marisha's Couture. Marisha's Couture. Is that the only part of the lyric? Is that all they say?
No.
You guys, this is such an upgrade. Look at her name.
Chef.
Look at it. Like it.
Well-earned
Live it.
chef. You earned that title.
And Mommy was like, you have to let people know. I'm working chef since I was 17. and you have to let people know. No, it's not called Chef Marisha's Couture Cakes, but it's more like a Chef Marisha.
It's Chef
Couture
Marisha
Cakes.
Presents Couture Cakes.
And catering.
Right.
Catering.
It's the experience, it's the education.
Because you know what,
You got your
guys?
degree in it, bachelor's. I mean, you've worked in the field for over 10 years. You are a professional, and people should know that they're getting quality when they get Marisha's Couture Cakes.
So this is my way of telling people that I also cater, or reminding them that I actually do more than make cake. The stuff that I did was a lot of personal chef work, and it was really before social media was like really big where it is now. So I would take pictures, but I wasn't like doing videos or anything. So the thing is, people think that this is all that I do, and it's not. This was really just to help me get my way through school while I was doing culinary. So can you please get off my box, little one?
Nope.
I just want people to see this. Get boy!
It's a box. He figures it must be for him.
Be supportive.
Sorry, Ma. I love you. Let's start over.
You.
Good boy. All right.
We made peace. That's how you make peace. I like it.
High five.
Yes. All right. Your feet smell like straight up corny chips.
Time for a bath, Biscotti.
Wow. I just want people to say, and catering was said about, and then I can start the conversation. Oh, I also cater. I can make your whole catered event, all the food for it, and then I can make your cake to finish it off. You only have to use one person, me. So yes, I have cooked for hundreds of people all by myself. Somebody may comment, oh, I don't want to put all that on you. No, literally. It's never overwhelming because I know how to cook for the masses without being overwhelmed. You just really have to prepare, and you set yourself up for success. And when you do that, you can't really go wrong, unless something's wrong, then, you know. A lot of times when you're at these events, people just walk by, and they're not gonna stop unless they see something that draws their attention. So even if they don't get a chance to come closer, if they decide, oh, I'm on a diet, you know, I get that a lot. Oh no, staying away from sugar. They'll see these pictures, and they'll be like, wait, and they'll more than likely come over and say, what is that? Are you seriously telling me that that's a real cake right there? It's about getting the conversation started and showing people
Let me
that,
get some of this right here.
goodness
Let me get some of this. I just want to see what it's about. This is nice.
It took a long time for me to design. I am going to keep the old banner because it's great to have two banners. We have two events. We'll be at two places at once this weekend. So it's great to have two banners for sure.
My name should be right here.
No.
My name should be on there, Ma.
While people are at the table, they could just scan and follow me right then and there at that very moment. It's made of like a fabric, and the fabric has little pieces of threads that I can see.
It's a great quality.
Yeah, it's a wonderful quality. It was probably, I want to say like $26. And then the grommets, these, so that you can actually hang it up.
Oh, they're called grommets.
Grommets are $6 to add on. Let's show the first banner, which we have pictures of. That's the first one. That was a rough time. I also want to give you guys a little hack. And I want to just, no, you're not being a bad boy. Are you being a bad boy?
I really don't even too much know what you're talking about, Mom. I'm just sitting here.
Okay. Because I was getting worried. Want to shake on it?
All right.
Because you're not a bad boy, are you?
Not today.
He said, bad boys bite. I don't want to be a part of any bad boys. Are you a bad boy? Oh, because you were almost acting like it again. When I don't feel like paying for labels, or it's not even that deep or important, or I need a lot of them, and I know that it would cost me like
What's
$60
that
to
taste like?
$70, I just
Can I get
design.
one of those?
I design them online, and then I take screenshots, and then I print them out,
Nice.
Let me
and
see.
then I cut it,
Let me see, because you're taking too
and
long
then I put it
to
on.
give it to me. Give it
Look,
to me.
Yeah, with him. I just.
spit it out.
Is that paper?
Spit it out.
Or is that rice paper?
Paper.
I mean,
It's real paper.
sugar. Oh, okay.
It's on glossy paper. I just glue it by hand. Why are you so into this? I glue
really
it by
likes
hand. I use Mod Podge and a paintbrush. I did this 50 times last night. It's a hack!
Hey.
I just wanted to share some tips with y'all. It's very strong. You just cracked my knuckles.
If you would just open up your hand.
Look at
You were bullying. This
Just
was
open.
bullying.
You're always being dramatic. I don't, never been called a bully.
Sounds good. He's waving.
Say, see YouTube family.
I hope that I help some of you all out. If you asked how I find events, I Google vendor events near me. Whatever else I'm looking for, I just Google it and they show you a list of events near you coming up. You go to the website and then you contact the person who is holding the event, find out what they need. They usually send you an application. It is very, very simple. You just have to do it. We have 2 events coming up this weekend. My favorite one, Hanimal Farms, on Saturday, October 22nd in Elkton, Maryland. It's going to be really cute and I'm going to have a lot of treats. So I can't wait. So, alright, see y'all soon. Bye,
Cake
I'm
Nistas.
sorry, I heard something crack. I love you. 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 No, I love you. It's funny when I come out and I pose like I'm in the Blair Witch Project in the corner. I'll do something like this. And he gets so scared and starts barking.
Yeah, that's scary.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.